centre opposes the legalization of same-sex marriages in the country, files an affidavit in top court saying it's against Indian societal morality and ethos. Well, that's a big development taking place as far as the same-sex marriages are concerned, where the centre opposes the legalization of the same-sex marriages in the country, files affidavit in top court saying it's against the Indian societal morality and ethos. And to get us more details, I'm joined by Harish on the phone line. Harish, good afternoon. This is significant because even as several petitions are still pending before the top court, which they are set to hear it on 13th March, on the legal validity of same-sex marriages, the centre opposing the same-sex marriages is a big move. What else do we know about the affidavit filed by the centre?
Yes, as you rightly said, a big development as far as the debate over the legalization of same-sex marriage is concerned. Remember, Supreme Court had sought centers stand on the pleas, a batch of pleas seeking a recognition of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act. Now, the center has filed an affidavit saying that it's opposing legalization of same-sex marriages, and it says the Indian system presupposes a union of two persons of opposite sex and not of the same sex, and it's not in conformity with the societal morality and Indian ethos. And remember, this has come in a plea seeking recognition of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act, and the center says same-sex relation cannot in any way be compared to the Indian family concept, the traditional Indian family concept of a husband, a wife, and children born out of the union. And in fact, let me read it out. Notion of marriage itself necessarily and inevitably presupposes a union between two persons of the opposite sex, not the same sex, living together as partners and having a sexual relationship with same-sex individuals is not comparable with in the Indian family unit concept of a husband, a wife, and children, which necessarily presupposes a biological man as a husband, a biological woman as a wife, and a child born. So, in fact, the sum and substance of it is that the center has based its opposition to the same-sex marriage on the grounds of societal morality and Indian ethos. So remember, Supreme Court had issued notice on a bunch of pleas seeking recognition of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act. Petitioners significantly, remember, submitted that the Special Marriage Act is ultra vires the Constitution of India to the extent it discriminated between same-sex couples and opposite-sex couples, denying same-sex couples both legal rights as well as social recognition and status that flow from the marriage. And petitioners had very significantly argued that Indian Supreme Court had always protected the right of intercaste and interfaith couples to marry a person of their choice. So it's a very big stand taken by the center as far as it says that same-sex relation cannot be compared to the Indian family.
Absolutely, Harish.
And is against the societal morality and Indian ethos.